The girl sing, well, I'm going for shopping. La la la.
Pet someone teapot. Pet someone teapot. Cash register. Anyways,
let's see.
The pet someone teapot cash register.
Let's see. What did I told you? Okay, done. Let's open it.
Yeah. Wait a minute. You forgot. You forgot the scissors. We should open it. Now let's open it now. Okay, now let's open it.
Cut it.
The fruit.
Then we can put in a sign.
Cut the box. Come on, cut the box.
No, careful. I can't.
Okay, now cut the box.
Now I can cut.
Okay, just come on.
Oh, no.
Just cut the box. Open the box. Now that side. Cut that side. Now cut that side.
Oh.
Cut the extra things.
Okay, you cut next.
Okay, I'll cut it and open it. Come on, just a few snips and done. Okay, so here's our cash register.
Okay, here's our cash register, but we have more stuff.
And this is the money that's
Yes, this is the money, guys.
packed up.
Here's the money packed up. Yeah.
I forgot something. Hold on. Let's not forget about this basket.
Can't forget about the basket. Okay, we have the cash register.
Okay, let's see. Turn it on.
Turn it on.
Yeah,
Which one?
this is the button. Beep. Hi, welcome to the cash register. Whoa!
Wow, amazing.
Okay, so here's the packet of money.
Yeah, packet of money.
So we have to open it like this credit card and the money and the coins.
Credit card.
Let's just cut it.
Yeah, let's cut it. I think you
Let's
should
cut
do
it. Okay.
Okay, you should do it. Pause it. Okay, here's all the stuff.
Here's the money.
The money.
And here's this credit card with Pinkie Pie and Star Song.
With Pinkie Pie and stuff. Whoa,
Okay.
Stop that noise. Anyways, we got a little nothing. Let's think it out.
Okay.
Get out of your
So we got the money.
Hold on, we got the nothing. We got this king coin.
Yeah,
We got this nothing.
Okay, let's go and open the cash register. Press open and see what happens.
What is this thing?
Beep. Oh, it actually opened. Now you can put your money.
Hold on, I can put anything. Okay, now what I have to do is put these monies here.
Put the money.
Card.
Wait a minute, that's a credit card. You slide it.
Whoa, what do
And
you?
then it opens.
Where do you keep it?
You keep it here. Now let's put the money.
Yeah.
Let's put.
Coin. Oh no, the money. No, put the coin here. Put the double coin. Put the coin. Oh no.
Don't worry, I have my credit card.
Another coin. Let's put these coins. We will need it. Ah! Oh no!
Okay,
What's
let's
wrong?
close it.
Oh no!
There you go. That's close. Okay.
What do you do with the basket?
Oh, just shop for groceries.
Oh no, the coin. Anyway.
Okay, so here's our basket with our food.
Wow.
We got an apple.
Hold on, we got an apple and
got juice.
Wait, there's juice. It's the orange juice. Orange juice.
And
We got milk. We got milk.
Milk. And we've got
Grape.
some grapes.
Oh no, the apple.
Okay.
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 I got it.
Let's put them in the shopping basket.
Yeah, can you put them? Oh, there's the shopping basket. I think it's all here.
There you go. Now we
go.
put the
Oh, no.
shopping clothes here.
Now we take
Goodies,
off
I mean,
We got 4
Now
stuff.
we've got a space to put a credit card.
Let's
Slide your credit card here. It will open. Look.
It's gonna, hold on. I can do it.
Wow, it opened.
Now we can put some stuff on it.
Okay, no need.
No need.
Okay. This is our cash register. Here's our food. Let's count how the total is.
Let's check this apple. Let's see.
Okay.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. 1,000.
Okay, 1,000 money.
1,000 money. And also coins. Look.
Okay.
1,000
Let's
money.
beep.
Here we have.
Shh.
1,000 money.
Yeah.
Got 1,000 money to put in. Oh no! The money! The money fell down!
Okay, let me close it. Shh.
Oh no! The money! I forgot the money!
Okay, you just open the cash register. Okay.
Got it. Also, we brought a teeny tiny juice and a teeny tiny milk and a teeny tiny and these big stuff. So we need some coins. It costs beep, beep, 2.
Yeah.
And 3. I mean 4. I'm 4. What? We got a lot of coins.
Okay, let's scan them.
Where's the coins? Beep. Oh no! We need the coins. Boop. Oh no!
Okay,
Coins.
let's beep. Shh. Okay, here's the cash register opening bar. Hurry up, we're gonna open surprises.
Surprises. Woo.
We're gonna open some surprises up.
Some coins. Oh no! Oh no!
Hurry up! Hurry up. Okay, let's close it. Okay. Wait, after check.
Scan the food.
Okay, juice.
Juice.
Juice. Beep.
Milk.
Beep.
Oh, apple.
Beep.
Ah,
And grapes.
and grapes.
Beep.
Gone.
Okay, let's turn it off.
Okay. Phew.
Thanks for shopping. Bye bye. Okay, now we can put our stuff away. There you go. Okay, now that we've played
Whoa.
with the cash register, now it's time for surprises!
Yay, surprises!
Wait a minute.
Please.
Wait a minute!
Please.
Wait a minute! Okay,
Wait.
how did we get here? So, which one should we
I
open
don't know
first?
how do we get here, but let's open this blind bag.
Pet
bag.
someone teapot blind bag. Okay, I hope. Who do we get? Shh. Wait, what's that dog's name? Wait,
It's a collector.
let's see her name. Her name is Wow.
Flower? A new character? Maybe
Um,
it's the ultra rare. Let me see.
Okay.
It's the ultra rare.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
it's the ultra rare.
Let's open
Okay,
this book. Hold on, let's open the egg.
the chocolate egg.
Chocolate? Ooh, chocolate! Tasty.
Wait, here's a capsule.
Caps?
Wait, who do we get in this capsule?
I don't know. We got
unicorn.
unicorn. Okay.
Wait, there's no checklist? Okay, there's no checklist.
Let's
Let's
open-
open this Pet One Teapot Easter egg.
Easter egg? Okay.
We got yummy, tasty jelly beans. And the collector's guy. Collector's guy, I mean. It's a mirror.
It's a mirror.
Wait a minute. There's actually a cat. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's scan those surprise toys.
Yeah, for surprise toys.
Okay, Wower.
Wower? Not Wower.
Okay, Wower later. We'll do
Yes.
Wower. Okay, we'll do. No, that's for the credit card. No, that's not a toy. Wait. Okay. Beep. Cat mirror. Beep. Okay. The camera. Beep. Okay, the cost. Beep. 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 236.
No, it costs beep, 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 beep. A lot of when they said done.
Okay.
It's a jelly bean.
Let's
Jelly bean.
beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
much. Scan unicorn.
Scan unicorn. Okay.
Beep.
Beep. We got beep, beep, beep. 186.
Oh, okay.
And a schedule.
Let's scan Rower.
Wow.
Oh, no. Rower. Beep. Okay. Rower is a female pup from Pets on a Teapot. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video with the cash register.
Bye.
Subscribe and bye.
Bye.